Hi students, today's lesson is change of axis. Yesterday we completed locus, now we are going to do change of axis. It is transforming axis to a new origin x1 y1 or rotating axis by an angle theta. So now we are doing three important problems which are based on rotation of axis. Axis rotated by an angle theta. Then relation between first coordinates and new coordinates or original and transformed. Small x is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and small y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Similarly, suppose you want to convert new to original, then capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. So first question is that axis rotated by an angle pi by 6, and what is a new equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to a square. So, and axis rotated by pi by 6. So coordinates are x root 3 minus y by 2 and x root 3 plus y by 2, x plus y root 3 by 2. So if you substitute, you get x square is equal to x root 3 minus y by 2 whole square, and 2 root 3 xy, x root 3 minus y by 2 into x plus y root 3 by 2 and minus of x plus y root 3 by whole square is equal to 2a square. So after simplification, opening x minus b whole, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, and after cancellation we got 8x square minus 8y square is equal to a square, which is called rectangular hyperbola. Second year you get. Now another question, that is second question. Here axis rotated by an angle 45 degrees, and transformed equation is given 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. What is original equation? First question is original is given, transformed found. The transformed is found, original to be. So to find the original we need the coordinates. Small capital X is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta, because it is 45 degrees, x plus y by root 2. Similarly, small y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta, again because that is 45 degrees, minus x plus y by root 2. Now original equation, wherever x is there put x plus y by root 2, and wherever y is there minus x plus y by root 2. So 17 times x plus y whole square by root 2 minus 16 x plus y by root 2 into minus x plus y by root 2, and plus 17 minus x into minus x plus y by root 2 whole square, 225. And after simplification, 17x square plus 17x square plus 16x square, 50x square. 17y square plus 17y square minus 16y square, 18y square. Of course 34xy got cancelled. And by 2 if you take a cross multiplication, 225. So finally 2 got cancelled, 25x square plus 9y square is 220. This is ellipse. Now third one is a straight line. Axis rotated by an angle alpha. Then what is a new equation? So again first question model. So when it is rotated by alpha, small x become x cos alpha minus y sin alpha, and small y become x sin alpha y cos plus y cos. Now to get the new equation, substitution, x is equal to x cos alpha minus y sin alpha, and y is equal to x sin alpha plus y cos. So what is happened? X cos alpha minus y sin alpha into cos alpha plus x sin alpha plus y cos alpha into sin alpha is equal to p. Now if you open the bracket, x cos alpha into cos alpha, x cos square alpha minus y sin alpha cos alpha. Similarly, x sin alpha into sin alpha, x sin square alpha plus y cos alpha sin alpha. So it is very clear simplification, minus y sin alpha cos alpha plus y sin alpha cos alpha cancel. And if you take x common, x cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, which is x into 1, is equal to other side p is there. So new equation is x is equal to transform. So here we understand the change of axis two ways. One is shifting origin to x1 y1. Small x become capital X plus x1 and small y become capital Y plus y1. So only one question is there, depending on that you can do very easy. Here when axis rotated by an angle theta, small x become x cos theta minus y sin theta and small y become x sin theta plus y cos theta. When it is transformed to original, just you take that theta is equal to minus theta. Then wherever sin theta, it become minus sin theta. Okay. Bye everyone. So all students, for everyone, Kushal, Manish and Vikrant, Sai, Narendra and bye.